nice ass truck behind me. You see that truck right there? Nice ass truck. It's a Ram. $950? Ram 500 something. Heavy duty. I can't see it from here, but like it's in the mirror. I don't know. I like its you see there? No, zoom in. Zoom. There we go. The deer guard right there. Yeah. Badass. And then the body of it. Ooh, sexy car right there. Well, truck. It's not a car. Sexy truck. Yeah. There's another one over there. Over there. There's two right now. That one's driven by an old man. That one's driven by a young lady with purple hair. I would show you the lady with the purple hair, but my phone would. I'm looking at the screen, and I don't know how to be like, you know. Oh, there's the old dude. Yeah, he's probably like 45. Can you even see that? Zoom in. Oh, you can't zoom in. But yeah, sexy truck. Old dude, 45 maybe, maybe younger. He might be like 40. Definitely not older than that. Anyways, these suck. Don't buy them. I'm full of disappointment. Although I don't know what beer can chicken is, I assumed it tasted good. It tastes like potato. If this is supposed to taste like potato, they do a good job. If this is supposed to taste like chicken, terrible job, shit job. They do a god awful job at this. They maybe need to go back to culinary school, cause they so. But yeah. I mean, it tastes like Pringles if Pringles didn't have. It tastes like original Pringles with less salt. Lightly salted original Pringles. Not bad. But if you expect chicken, bad. If you don't expect